Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to add light rays in Photoshop. Open the photo you need in Photoshop. Click on the half-filled circle icon and select Gradient from the list. Click on the gradient. Move the right color stop to the left so you have only one bottom color stop. Set color to #, F, D, D, E, A, E, and click OK. Set gradient type to solid and click OK. Set style to radial. Move the sunlight effect to the corner of the photo. Adjust the scale settings. We set it to approximately 130%. Click OK. Click on Normal on the Layers list. Set it to Soft Light. Right-click on the gradient layer and select Duplicate Layer from the list. Click OK in the pop-up window. Click on the duplicate gradient layer. Adjust the scale settings. We set it to approximately 80%. Click OK. Click on Normal on the Layers list. Set it to Screen. Click on the half-filled circle icon and select Gradient from the list. Click on Gradient and set Gradient type to Noise. Set Color Model to HSB. Move the S pointer to the left. Click on Randomize until you are happy with the result. Click OK. Set Style to Angle. Move the gradient to the same corner of the photo so it looks like rays. Click OK. Click on Normal on the Layers list. Set it to Screen. Click on the Rays gradient layer. Change the angle to your liking. Click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!